Hey guys, James Paradise here. I am going to show you on this video how to make a lot of money online doing one thing, selling one product, and you can do it for the rest of your life and make over $1,000 per day or more. And I even have the product, and I'll give it to you right after I dig into this amazing hamburger, egg, tomato, onion, lettuce sandwich. So keep watching. Right now, I'm making some, check this out, I'm making some, look at that, look at a hamburger, my homemade hamburgers. That is beef hamburger with a special sauce. Look at all the ingredients I got going on to this. Tomatoes, lettuce, onion, garlic, and a special sauce. This is a special sauce that will make you rich, baby. You want to get rich? You eat my special hamburger sauce, and I'll show you how to make a lot of money and eat like a king and live for practically nothing every month, because that's exactly what I do. Okay, so we have the finished product. Look at this hamburger, fresh. What do you think, baby? You gonna try it? Look at that. That is a hamburger, lettuce, tomato, onion, garlic, secret sauce, cheese, special beef. This is the #1 hamburger in the world. I just cooked homemade. Homemade. I made everything. I made the beef. I made the lettuce. I made the tomatoes. I made the onions. I made the garlic. I made the sauce. I made the sauce. I made everything. If you guys want to eat a hamburger and live a great lifestyle, you guys want to comment in the description below this video and say, hey, I'm in. James, show me how you're living in paradise, making millions of dollars and cooking homemade hamburgers like that. Look at that.
Happy birthday to you. Wish. I wish everybody have a lot of sex tonight. Don't say nothing. Sexo. Okay. Yeah. Mucho sex.
But wait, you need to wait for
And by the way, if you want my secret special Italian recipe to make a hamburger, egg, tomato, lettuce, onion, garlic with a special secret spicy sauce hamburger, just comment below and say, hey, James, hamburger. I'll send the ingredients and step by step how to cook it, okay? Ow. That's fucking good, man. That's the best hamburger I've ever eaten. Keep watching.